Frequently asked questions on Whirlpool Washer Code F21. The Whirlpool Washer Code F21 indicates a long drain error, meaning the washer takes more than 8 minutes to drain water. Common causes include a clogged or kinked drain hose, blocked pump filter, excess detergent creating suds, or in rare cases, pump motor or control board issues. Fixes involve checking and cleaning the hose and filter, clearing debris, or running a rinse spin cycle. Resetting by unplugging the washer temporarily can clear the code, but the issue will return if unresolved. While not dangerous, ignoring F21 can lead to pump failure or water damage. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the filter every 3 to 6 months and using proper HE detergent, helps prevent future errors and keeps the washer running efficiently. Frequently asked questions. What does Whirlpool Washer Code F21 mean? Code F21 shows a problem with the washer's water draining system. How can I fix Whirlpool Washer Code F21? Check and clean the drain pump and hose to remove blockages. Why does my Whirlpool washer show F21 error? The washer cannot drain water properly due to a clog or pump failure. Can I use my washer with F21 error? It's best to fix the error before using the washer to avoid damage. When should I call a technician for F21 code? Call a technician if cleaning the pump and hose does not fix the error.